That TSA agent just pulled you aside and you're about to miss your flight. Here are 10 airport mistakes that cost travelers time, money, and their sanity at security checkpoints. And some of these rules just changed in 2025. Mistake number 1. You still have liquids over 3.4 ounces in your carry-on. Yes, the 311 rule is still in effect in 2025. That's 3.4 ounces or less, in one quart-sized clear bag, one bag per passenger. But here's what most people don't know. 11 major airports now have new CT scanners that let you keep liquids in your bag. Atlanta, JFK, LAX, and others. But if you're not flying through one of those airports, that full-size sunscreen is getting tossed, and you just wasted 15. Pro tip: buy travel size everything, or better yet, check your toiletries and pack an empty water bottle. Fill it after security for free. Mistake number 2, you brought the wrong ID. As of May 7, 2025, Real ID enforcement is fully active. That means if your driver's license doesn't have a gold star in the upper right corner, TSA will turn you away for domestic flights. No star? You need your passport. Period. And if you show up without either, you're not flying today. That's a $200 rebooking fee minimum, plus whatever you lose on hotels or plans. Check your license right now. If there's no star, get a real ID before your next flight or keep your passport handy. Mistake number 3, you wore the wrong shoes and belt. Here's the good news. As of July 8, 2025, TSA eliminated the shoe removal requirement for all travelers, not just pre-check. But here's the catch. If you're wearing boots, high tops, or shoes with metal, they're still going to ask you to take them off. And that belt with the giant metal buckle? That's triggering the scanner every single time. Wear slip-on shoes. Ditch the belt or wear one with a plastic buckle. Get through security in 30 seconds instead of 5 minutes. Mistake number 4. Your laptop is buried at the bottom of your bag. Unless you're at one of those CT scanner airports I mentioned, you still need to pull out laptops and large electronics. And if your laptop is under 3 layers of clothes, a toiletry bag, and your lunch, you're holding up the entire line while you dig. Pack your laptop in an easy-access sleeve or on top of everything. Better yet, get TSA PreCheck and leave it in your bag. Mistake number 5. You said your pockets are empty, but they're not. Keys in your front pocket, phone in your back pocket, coins you forgot about, chapstick, a receipt. TSA's 3D body scanners catch everything. And every time it beeps, that's a manual pat-down. That's 5 extra minutes. And if you're selected for additional screening because of it, add another 10 to 15 minutes. Before you step in that scanner, do a full pocket check. Put everything in your carry-on or the bin. Everything. Mistake number 6. Your carry-on is too big or too stuffed. Airlines are cracking down on oversized bags in 2025. If your bag doesn't fit in the sizer at the gate, they're checking it. And if you're flying basic economy, that's a $35 to $50 gate check fee you didn't plan for. Plus, you're waiting at baggage claim instead of heading straight to your destination. Measure your bag before you leave home. If it's borderline, pack lighter or check it at the ticket counter for less money. Mistake number 7. You packed food that counts as a liquid. Peanut butter, liquid. Yogurt, liquid. Salsa, hummus, soup, jam, all liquids according to TSA. If it's spreadable, pourable, or squeezable, it follows the 3-to-1-1 rule. That means 3.4 ounces or less. Your 16-ounce jar of almond butter? Getting confiscated. Solid foods are fine. Sandwiches, fruit, chips, candy, no problem. But if you're bringing spreads or dips, keep them under 3.4 ounces or check your bag. Mistake number 8. You wrapped your gifts before flying. TSA can and will unwrap any gift in your carry-on or checked bag if they need to inspect it. And they don't rewrap it for you. All that beautiful wrapping paper and ribbon? Shredded. And you look like the Grinch when you hand over an unwrapped gift at your destination. Pack gifts unwrapped or in gift bags with tissue paper. Wrap them when you arrive. Save yourself the heartbreak. Mistake number 9. You're in the wrong security line. If you have TSA PreCheck, clear, or you're traveling with kids under 12, there are faster lanes available. But most travelers don't know about the Families on the Fly program that launched in 2025. Look for lanes marked with a stroller icon. Ask an agent if unsure. Mistake number 10. You cut it too close getting to the airport. Security wait times spike without warning. Construction staffing a single closed lane can add 30 to 60 minutes. Miss the cutoff, your ticket becomes a rebooking fee, plus lost time you won't get back. Here's the rule. Arrive 2 hours early for domestic, 3 hours for international. Add more during holidays. Before you leave, check TSA, wait times, check your terminal. Build a 30-minute buffer. If you're always rushed, enroll in TSA PreCheck or enroll in Clear to shave reliable minutes off every trip. That's all 10 airport mistakes. Avoid these and you'll glide through security. Save this for your next trip and share it with a friend who's always late. Want more zero fluff travel tips? Like, subscribe, and comment airport for the full checklist.